Okay. Recently I've been playing around with some web automation, been using Selenium. I don't usually use Python, but I mean this is quite nice, it's quite intuitive, and yeah, it's not that hard to use. You kind of grab elements, and then you can use enter keys and stuff like that. But I came across this library which already does everything that, everything I was looking for. It's right here. It's called instapy, open source, everything's over here. It's got very good docs. I found another one, I think it was called like instabot pie or something like that, but this one had more stars. So yeah, it's quite nice. It's built with Selenium as well, I think, but it takes a lot of the work out of it. Yeah, when you clone the thing, when you clone the repo, you get a bunch of templates, which honestly are too fancy for me. All I need is for the bot to always be running and maybe likes the occasional comment. The only thing I've added in is environment variables, just hide my account details. So like there's liking and following and stuff, all that's built in. You don't have to use Selenium and go in and grab the element and do all that stuff. So I'll run this. So it takes care of the delays, the stuff you have to avoid to stop from getting banned by Instagram. So the delay and stuff. It's called, what's it called? Quota supervisor. Yeah, there's a quota supervisor, and it's very nice. So for what I've done, it's looking through a hashtag, it's generating a list of pictures, and then it's going through. I think it's liking 100% of the time and drops the comment 50% of the time. So I could just leave this running like 24 hours a day, and yeah, and it's just, this was, oh, okay, I think I set this up, I set the account up yesterday, I think, so, but I have only been running it when I've been playing around, and the logging is quite nice as well. I appreciate that. Yeah, the King of the Hill is it's a pretty nice cartoon that I like, and Hank is like the main character, Hank Rutherford Hill. He has some pretty interesting quotes, like Hank, like I'm the Mac Daddy of Emmett County. So yeah, I'm just gonna play around with this, try to get a few hundred followers, see how it works. It's a very nice project, this instapy thing. What else? Yeah, the scripts. Yeah, the scripts are nice. I've done this for a few people, and they've always wanted it to be like an executable. So what I've been using is, what's it called? This thing, PyInstaller. Well, their website's down, which is not a very good sign, but they seem to work. I've tested it on Windows, only on Windows. This is I'm running Linux, but so I run this command in my terminal, and usually I give the executable to them and they plug it in, they run it on Windows and it seems to work fine. There might be a better solution, but like I haven't tried it on Mac OS, so it says it works, but I don't know. Yeah, that's it. It's a very cool little thing. The links to everything will be somewhere. Yeah, still going. Okay, that's all. Bye bye.